Stevo,
Hello.
got a question.
Yes.
Mark McGowan's rang you.
Yeah.
He says, Stevo, it's Mark McGowan. He said, the world's going to end.
Mm-hmm.
You can stop it. And we've picked you out of a random thing. Hope you can do it. What is it?
What do I need to do?
You need to, you know Clive Palmer?
Yeah.
You need to tongue punch his fucking old fart box for 2 minutes. And you'll have matchsticks in your eyes so you can't close them. Would you do it to save the world?
I'm sorry, mate. We're fucked. We're going down.
So there you go. So all the people out there, you're going to die. We've had some bad news. Stevo's bike's rolled down the hill by itself. I can't find it. It's just been powder coated. Hope you'll find it, Steve. Where did it roll to, you know? Did you see it? It just took off on its own, did it?
Yeah, I heard it.
Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's what's called clickbait. So we've made you think that the bike went. Clickbait. Look it up. It's a great word. I've got a big Bruce Rock. Clickbait. What's the word?
It was a fib.
And
Clickbait.
yes. Clickbait. Not to be recognised with masturbate, which I do a lot of. What? No! You bring again. We haven't got 69. No number. The next line that we spent,
What do you think of the new bike,
yeah,
mate?
it's fucking nice. The colour pops, doesn't it?
Yeah, looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.